a broken wand. This is so bad, no matter how hard I try, it is not moving. Trying to fix this mess with the setting powder, but it looks like it is not working as well. Also, this side looks so good. Finding my crease with the help of a pencil brush. Can you guess which eye has primer base and which one has concealer base? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting topic to discuss, the battle of the beauty products, eye primer and eye concealer. I'll be diving into the world of eye concealer and eye primer to figure out which one is the right choice for you, or is there really any difference? We will find out at the end of this video. First things first, let's understand the basics of eye concealer and eye primer. Eye primer is a product used to prepare your eyelids for eyeshadow application, making it last longer and appear more vibrant, prevent creasing and extend its longevity. Whereas eye concealer is used to cover dark circles, blemishes and imperfections around the eyes. Here you can see the hyperpigmentation on my eye. So I'm going to use pose on each of my eye and find out what works best. So if you have ever wondered when to use which, keep watching till the end. I'm starting with my brows using eyebrow pencil from Miniso. It has two different shape of pointers at each end. One has a small triangular and other a very fine round tip to create hair-like strokes. Cleaning underneath my brows using high coverage concealer from Gosh. Make sure your eyelids are clean and free from any oil or grease before applying any base. Now I'm going to try my best and apply this primer with the help of this broken wand. This primer is called Perfecr Touch eyeshadow primer from Karaja. This has a weird consistency for an eye primer, no blendability at all. Here you can see I'm trying to blend it, but it is so sticky it has clung to the area where I have applied. Now I'm trying to set it with the setting powder, and for this I'm using Karyolan translucent powder in the shade TL9. Dusting it very lightly just to reduce the stickiness, but it still looks really bad. Anyway, moving to the next step. Taking this light color from this palette, I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye and blend it with the help of the fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take this pink color on sponge tip applicator and apply it on the middle part of my eyelid, because shimmery shades are best applied with the help of a finger or sponge tip applicator. Now I'm taking this purple shade from this palette on the sponge tip applicator and create an outer V. Here you can see how easily the outer corner is created with the help of this applicator. Now I'm going to blend out the edges with the help of a fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this color on a pencil brush and create a fine crease and also enhance my outer corner. So far it has turned out really well considering the primer I used. Now enhancing my lower lash line. First, with the help of pencil brush, I applied the dark gray color and then blended it out with the purple and pink eyeshadow I used earlier. This is how it looks at the moment. Now I'm going to move to my other eye where I'm going to use concealer as eye base. For this I'm using high coverage concealer from Gosh, and if you have been following me for a while, you know this is my favorite one. It just magically disappears all the discoloration that I have without graying it, and it just melts into my skin and blends like butter. Since this is a very high coverage concealer, you only need a very small amount of product to cover your entire lid, and make sure you don't drag your brush while blending it, as this can create patches and lines on your eyelid. After setting it with the setting powder, I have taken the same pink eyeshadow I used on my other eye and applying it on the inner corner of my eye. Now I've taken the next eyeshadow and applying it on the middle part of my eyelid. This is blending out really quickly and easily if we compare it to the eye primer, and the color payoff is also just same as the eye primer. Quickly creating an outer V with the help of sponge tip applicator and enhancing it with the help of a pencil brush. The correct choice of brushes can make the work done so easy. If you use a blending brush here, then the look will not be so subtle. So be careful with the choice of brushes for the kind of look you want to create. Just like here, I'm using a clean blending brush just to diffuse the edges. Highlighting the inner corner with the help of a highlighter and enhancing my lower lash line with the help of pencil brush and diffusing it with the pink and purple eyeshadow. Finishing up the look by applying the eyeliner. Going to curl up my lashes and apply a coat of mascara before applying the falsies. Take your favorite lashes, place them in the center of your eyelid and press them with your natural lashes from each corner. Applying the white pencil on my waterline. This is the finished look, and now this is the side where I used eye primer. Its plus point is that it also covered the discoloration just like a concealer, and color payoff is also very good. You can see all the different colors I used. And one drawback which I most definitely think is because of the formula of the brand rather than the primer as whole is the non-blendability. And you can see the patches that are on my eyelid. Now this is the side where I use the concealer. Its plus point is that it has excellent blendability. It also covered the discoloration and the color payoff is just as good as the primer. Now if you take a closer look, you can see how well the colors have blended into each other and there are no patches at all. And there you have it. It is clear that when it comes to versatility and the power to enhance your makeup skill, eye concealer takes the crown. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, take care and stay beautiful.